positive peeps, it's me, Lori, your self-appointed positivity princess. I'm here spreading happiness and positivity. Thank you for tuning in. If you like me or want to see more of my videos, click like. I have videos on other manifestation methods, including 55 by 5 right here. I have a video on the 17-second rule right there, or here. And I also talk about vision boards there. Today, I'll talk about a very powerful method called visualization. What is visualization? What is visualization? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. It is imagining in your mind the exact scene or scenario that you want to see happen in real life. We did this as children all the time, and we loved it. As we got older, we were told by adults and parents and teachers to stop fantasizing and join the real world. Well, I'm giving you permission to go back to that innocent time. Bring out all that creativity, bring out your imagination and your deepest desires. Here are the steps to effective visualization. Step 1, the story or scenario that you're going to visualize. You have to know what this is. So an example is, if you want to become a singer, imagine yourself getting ready for a show or a rehearsal or rehearsing. In this step, you are simply deciding what scene you will be picturing. Okay, number 2, the details. Script it out first. This is where all the details will exist. If you're wanting to become a singer, your script could read, I'm a successful, famous singer worldwide. I have a show tonight. I am getting ready for the show by getting dressed. My stylist is doing my hair and my makeup. I am talking to my background singers and we are tweaking some of the last minute note decisions. And I peek out to see all of my admiring fans. I can't wait. Hi, okay, I can't wait. This is very short, but you get the idea. It's like a story. So step 3, once you have the scenario, put yourself in the driver's seat of your vision. Be in first person and see the world through your eyes as if you are really there. Close your eyes and see yourself in that scenario, doing the actions in your script. Step 4, use all of your senses now. See the sights, feel the sensations, smell all the smells, taste the coffee. Try to make the experience as real as possible. Think about the powerful method of grounding when faced with a potential panic attack. By connecting your immediate physical environment, it allows you to be in the moment and it feels so much more real. Step 5, next you will add the element of emotion. Feel all of it as much as you can. Borrow emotion from real life and from real life situations that have already happened. If in your visualization you are sitting and having coffee with Leonardo DiCaprio, imagine not only the taste of the biscotti after you dip it into your fabulous espresso, you should also feel the feeling of calmness and being in a place where you want to be, with someone you want to be with. Feel happy that you're on vacation. Feel relieved that you are financially free. Relief is a powerful emotion. Feel proud for the successes you have accumulated. Feel excited about your life. That's it. This is the method. This method is like an onion or a yummy Mexican dip, lots of layers. This is a recipe for clear, vivid, and effective visualizations. Do this before you fall asleep every single night. Look forward to it. Set a plan for yourself. Think of it like a treat at the end of each day. If you have a series of outcomes that you want to manifest, you can create a visualization schedule like mine. So for me, every Monday I visualize my ideal self. Every Tuesday I visualize my ideal job or career. Every Wednesday I visualize my ideal partner. Every Thursday I use that to visualize this car that I'm trying to manifest. I'll tell you about that soon. Every Friday I visualize my ideal lifestyle or routine. Every Saturday I visualize my ideal vacation and how often I'd like to be going. And Sunday I visualize my ideal home. This doesn't mean I don't have gratitude for everything that I have. This is just an example. It all depends on what you are wanting to manifest. Make this work for you. Give it a try. Every night for 2 weeks. Your life will change. I guarantee it. Let me know about all of your results. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I have my little Jacob over here. I think he wants to say hi. There he is. Okay, so thank you for watching. You want to say something?
Wait, what?
Oh God, did you do that on purpose?
No.
Oh, stop it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. I love you all. Don't forget to give it a like and a thumbs up. Please don't hit your head again. Okay, you can't hit your head again. Jacob, come on. Okay, guys, love you.